welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. For today's drawing, I'm gonna be doing a white fluffy animal. Can you guess what animal I will be drawing today? Well, let me tell you, it's gonna be a really cute fluffy bunny. So let's get started. So here I have my black marker. I'm just gonna draw in the ears for the bunny first. So you can see, for a cute animal, I try to avoid any jagged or sharp angles or lines. Try to do more curvy lines, as you can see here. So here are the two ears for the bunny. Now I'm gonna do the head for the bunny. So it's gonna have a lot of fluffy furs on the top too. So you can see it's not like straight oval. There's a little bit more like cuts to show where the fur is. And then I'm gonna slowly drag my line around. These are the cheeks for the bunny because I want her to have big bulgy cheeks because that will be so cute. And then here's the other side. I'm gonna connect the line. I'm gonna do a slit for the ear and then one for the other side as well. Later on, when we use another color to color in the inner ear, it will look a little bit better and it'll make more sense. Here I'm gonna start working on the bunny's forearms and also the hind legs. So here's one of the bunny's arms and then the other one as well. So instead of like drawing each little fingers, I'm just gonna have like these short lines to depict like the little paws for the bunny. And the bunny is going to be sitting on its bottom, but here is the back leg, the hind leg, and then here's the other one. I'm going to make sure I connect it with the rest of the body as well. Here you go. So there's the round bunny's bottom, and of course I can't forget the bunny's tail. For the bunny's tail, you can choose to do a really large fluffy round tail, or you can do a really small tail as well. Well, next I'm going to work on the bunny's eyes. So here's one of the eyes, like an oval, but it's like a little bit wider on the bottom. Here is the other eye. For animals, if you want to make them look really cute, large round eyes is a must. Here I'm going to do a small circle inside the eye, and I'm going to leave that blank. And that's where the light will sparkle and make the eyes even cuter for our cute fluffy bunny. Here I'm going to use my black marker and color in the pupil. If you like, you can use other colors. Let's say if your favorite color is blue, you can have blue eye bunny as well. Next, after coloring the eyes, I'm going to do the nose, which is kind of like a V. Next, I'm going to do the mouth, and I'm going to have a very small mouth for my bunny because I think that will be so cute. So here is like my outline for my bunny. He's looking so cute, or she is looking so cute so far. I'm gonna actually leave my bunny white, but I'm gonna use this like pink color to color in part of the eye. Afterwards, I'm gonna use a lighter color pink to color in the nose, the cheeks, to add a little bit of blush, as well as the ears. Now here's the part where you might want to do something a little bit different. I mentioned that I'm leaving my bunny white, but of course there are maybe other color bunnies that you would like. If you're doing this for Easter or for a friend, you can consider, if you're gifting to a friend, what is their favorite color? Maybe it's yellow and you have a yellow bunny, or a pastel blue, or maybe a lilac color. Those are all ideas you can have for your bunny. here I'm just gonna add in a little bit of pink blush for the cheeks because I think that will look so cute. And then I'm almost wrapped up for this bunny. The background does look a little bit bare in my opinion, so I am going to add on a little bit of like flower in the background. You can use different colors. Let's say if your favorite color is daisies, you can draw in some yellow flowers or tulips, or you can draw a whole garden for the background for the bunny. Maybe it's enjoying the sun out in the gardens, so in which case the garden may have some grass and some blue skies, some white clouds. So use your imagination and create a story with the background for this bunny. For now, I've just added in some flowers and also just adding a little pink to the nose for the bunny, and that about wraps up for the drawing for today for this cute fluffy bunny. Thank you so much for joining me on the step-by-step drawing, and hopefully I will see you next time in future videos. Take care and stay creative everyone. Bye for now.